What I do if I had to start from zero at 70. If I woke up at 70 with no audience, no plan, and bills staring at me, here's exactly what I do this month. Hi, I'm Holly. I restarted late myself. This is my calm blueprint. No heroics, just progress you can keep. Step one sentence. Write a compass. I help who get small result in time without big pain. Examples. I help busy grandparents have calmer dinners in 30 minutes without expensive kits. Step two, one medium. Pick short video or short posts, the one you can actually keep up with. Consistency beats fancy editing. Step three, one promise. 2 hours a day, 5 days a week. Same window if possible. Protect it like a medical appointment. And step four, one proof each week. Share a tiny result, what you tried, what it did, what you'll do next. Even 200 honest views teach you more than 2,000 random ones. Stop and think. Question. Who are you already helping in real life? And what tiny result could you deliver for them in the next 7 days? Hit subscribe for steady, late life steps. Watch next why digital jobs are taking over in 2025. It shows where the opportunities are. And once again, I'm certified and here to help you anytime.